Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about 4 useful websites that I'm sure it will help you a lot finding your 3D models, furniture, textures and everything related to SketchUp and Revit. So the first website that I'm going to introduce is 3D Warehouse Sketchup.com. I will put the link below this video, and please go and check that website, log in, make a username and password, and use a variety of models that are free to use, and you can just mix them with your design. So this is the 3D warehouse. It's for SketchUp and it's easy to use if you're looking for anything. For instance, I'm designing a bedroom and I'm looking for a bed. You just simply type bed here and it will give you access to a variety of models that have been created by other users. So the only important thing is here, when you want to download one of these models, click on the image and it will give you access to different version of that software. So if you are using SketchUp 2017, you have to use this link, because if you click here you cannot open it. So it's very helpful, easy to use. Just do not remember that select the right version of your software. Okay, so this website is for SketchUp. Another website that is very useful and you can find models for Revit, it's revitcity.com. Again, you will go there, you will log in, and when you are logged in, you have access to different models here. So simply you just, after you logged in, you click on download, you put your keywords here. Again, if I'm looking for a bed, or I'm designing a bedroom and I want to know what is related to the bedroom here, it will give you a variety of models that are all available for you to download and use. Simply you can just click on download, but you must log in first. So these are very important websites and very helpful, so please go and check them, make an account and use their advantages. Okay, so this Revit City is for Revit, SketchUp 3D Warehouse is for SketchUp. These two for models. Right now I'm going to talk about two websites that you can find high quality images and textures, and they have been designed for using with Photoshop, and so it's very helpful, and it will help you a lot to save time. So the first one is CG Textures, or recently they changed to textures.com. So here you can find a variety of images, and it's very helpful, especially later on. If you follow my SketchUp lessons, I will explain how we can combine these images with our models. So you just search what you're looking for. If I'm looking for maybe wood, it will give you access to different textures of wood, and you can download them and use them in your project. So one website was CG Textures or textures.com. Another one is SketchUp Textures or SketchUp Texture Club.com, and here you just click on textures and you can simply find a variety of textures that have been prepared to use with SketchUp and Photoshop and other softwares. So when you log in, make an account, and then you can simply come here and search what you're looking for. If I'm looking for wood texture, I just simply put the word here and click on search, and it will give you access to a variety of wood texture that can be used in modeling, rendering and presentation. I will explain how we are going to use this and combine this with our SketchUp models and how we use them in Photoshop. But for now, you must be familiar with these four websites. So it's SketchUp 3D Warehouse, Revit City, CG Textures or Textures.com, SketchUp Textures that give you access to different textures that have been captured from the right angle, and it will help you a lot. I will show you how we are going to use these texture. Okay, this is it for this video. I hope that it helped you in your further projects. Thank you so much.